everybody, JJ Lucky Lou, and we are on box number 2 for Lorcana trading card games. This is the Rise of Forbidden. Just to let you guys know, if you guys check out, I already did a couple inklings. This is the second box for Rise of Floodborn. I already did the gift set one plus a couple packs. So we are going to open up. Just want to let you guys know the difference between the first chapter and the Rise of the Floodborn for the booster boxes is they don't have. If you notice, I had to cut tape. Yeah, it's because they said that if it's open like this, people may take off packs. The new inklings, they put the factory sealed wraparound, which makes it a lot more better, a lot safer. Because I noticed that, you know, if you guys have noticed, there's even a piece of tape right there, right here. Yeah, that's probably the stores are doing. Alright, you guys, let's get through these packs. You guys watch my other things. We were not lucky. We haven't gotten anything except for legendaries, which is kind of like something people get. We haven't yet gotten into the Enchanted, which is the main one that we are looking for, is the Enchanted. So again, commons and uncommons for the first 9 cards. The last 3 is a rare to legendary, and the last one is foil, which can be any rarities. So as this is the rare. Super rare. And a regular foil. Should leave it like that. Okay, guys, Legendary Snow White. And then nothing. Alright, you guys, on the last pack. Right now, I think isn't that bad. I mean, would love to get Enchanted, but if I couldn't get Enchanted, I got 2 Legendary foils, so I think that's not a bad thing. I mean, they are foil cards also, yeah? So this is the last pack. Let's see what we get. Once this pack is done, we are done with Floodborn, and we are going to move to first chapter, which will be on my up and coming videos. And that one, to me, I think will be fun to see the difference between blisters and boosters. Yep, no Enchanted, you guys. Really hard to find those Enchanted. But we are done. We did get a bunch of legendaries, 2 foils, Bell, and Scar. Yeah, so that's basically all I got. Thanks for joining us. Check out the next videos. We're gonna start to move on to first chapter, and we will see which is better, the booster box or the blister packs. All right, thanks you guys. Batty, do your thing.